now with optional armrests and a slimmer profile, because you asked for it. Unique, fully adjustable back and leg rests allow access to any part of your client's body. Drop and spread each leg to enjoy total access to your client's inner thigh and lower back. No other tattoo chair has this patented feature. The InkBed's Cobra back has been redesigned, allowing for greater comfort in the straddle position. Handles and footrests keep skin tight on the back for drawing your artwork. You now have the option of purchasing the InkBed without armrests. The armrests articulate up and down and side to side for quick access to all parts of your client's arm. The InkBed comes with fixed wheels for easy movement and stationary feet for added stability and a lower profile. Use a hydraulic pump to raise or lower your InkBed to the perfect height. Designed for tattoo artists by tattoo artists.